Hello, everyone. My name is Tom Semo. This is Advanced Leadership Workshop. We are looking at 6 paths to success. We need to start off with, what is your plan? Everybody starts somewhere. You want to go to somewhere. That's your vision, where you want to end up, your project, deadline, schedule, etc. Now, to get from here to there, you've got to have some sort of plan. That's how to get there. It's important to have a plan. No plan is still a plan. So if you're starting somewhere, you will either have success or, let's say, off target. There might be harsher words. They all mean the same thing, want to be sensitive, but we want to get to somewhere. We think of where we are as a planet, Earth. We're heading off to go somewhere, to the moon, another planet, to the stars. We're going to go on a path. And when you're in orbit, when you're close to where you started from, it seems like your various paths that you might take look similar. So here we have 6 different paths. This one on the right, going with our previous image, this is the shortest path to our success. Up here we might be going along, and then we need to change our path part way to get there. Here we're just going all over the place, but we're still getting to success. If you look at those 3 lines, this is the shortest path to success. This one's a little bit longer, but it gets to where we want to go. And this one, if you look closely, it is the longest, but we still get there. We'll look at the 3 paths over here. They are going somewhere, just not where we want to go. Now, in business, if you don't, someone else will. What does that mean? You want to succeed. You want to get there. You want to get there as quickly as possible. So you need to adjust. You need to learn along the way. You need to improve. You may have the best plan, but you still need to improve. Because, as the saying goes, in business, if you don't, someone else will. There's nothing wrong necessarily with any one of these paths, because they're getting you from where you are to where you want to go. Now let's talk just a little bit about these 3 other paths. They're going somewhere else. They will be successful at wherever they are going. So the question to ask yourself is, where do you want to go? You may need to set a new goal to be successful. Do what you are good at. What you are good at may be something you are already good at. It may be something you are learning along the way. It may be something that someone else has identified as, this might be a great opportunity for you. So be listening to whether or not you need to set a new goal. So what are our next steps? First, you need to document your plan. Sometimes we're moving so fast, so quickly, we just don't have time. We think, that's how to get quickly from here to there by not documenting. But taking a little extra time to document what you're doing and tracking what's actually happening. That gives you the data, the information for you to reflect, consider what you should do, and to adjust your path as needed. Remember those 3 lines to the right. Or do you need to adjust your goal as needed? The 3 lines to the left. Do you want to be successful? Do you just want to do whatever you decided at some point? With maybe no data, with maybe some data, but that data doesn't reflect what is going on right now. Is it taking you to success? Grit may mean changing your plan. Grit may mean changing your goal. So keep going on your path, your new path, your adjusted path to success. So how do we apply all this? Well, just watching this, nothing's going to happen. You should take an hour, watch this video, spend an hour going through your next steps. An additional level of a workshop would be after you have gone through this information, you have gotten information for what you're doing, get together with other people and discuss what they think is going on. So you have more knowledge, more information, more wisdom on how you're going to go forward. 1 hour workshop, 2 hour workshop. Follow through later to see where you're at. Every month, every 6 months, every year, moving towards success. Thank you.